Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tapan's presentation and I am Tapan. Today I am going to talk about five most important and very much helpful YouTube channel for spoken English. Okay, so guys, you know that YouTube is such a unique platform that it cannot be compared to others. Okay, here you can get everything whatever you want. YouTube can deliver you. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about five most important and helpful YouTube channels for your spoken English, which can give you some tips. Okay, and where you can get your idea. Okay, which can be helpful for your spoken English and spoken journey. Okay, so let's begin. Before going move on, I wanna tell you that if you are new viewers in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, and if you like this video, then press the like button. And so let's begin. Okay. So first one is English connection. Okay, English connection. It is a channel, YouTube channel. Basically, this channel makes video about spoken English. Okay, and daily basis conversation. Okay, so if you want to improve your spoken skills, then you can visit this channel just for your daily conversation. Okay, and second one is Aleena Rais Live. Okay, so this is a wonderful channel, and I like this channel for my for your spoken English. You can visit this channel, and her actually Alina ma'am is wonderful personality. Okay, and her style of speaking is very much wonderful, and I really like her. Okay, so if you want, then you can visit this channel, and I hope that you will get so many tips from this channel. Okay, so third one is impact impact foundation. Okay, impact foundation is such a YouTube channel that it can give you so many things about spoken English, so many correction, so many mistake which we do in our daily conversation. Okay, so we can get so many things from this channel, impact education. Okay, and Professor Shushmita Rai is so much uh, she's an professor. Okay, and she is very much helpful to the student, and I really like her speech. Okay, she speak in a wonderful way. Okay, I like her. So if you want, then you can visit this channel, and I hope you will get so many things, you will learn so many things from this channel. Okay, and fourth one is speak English with Vanessa. Okay, this is not an Indian channel. Okay, this is a foreigner channel, and Vanessa ma'am is uh, she's very beautiful, and her spoken skills, her style of speaking is also very much beautiful. Okay, so if you want, then you can visit this channel, and if you want to learn different accent like foreign accent, then you can visit this channel, like speak English with Vanessa. Okay, and fifth one is the R15. Okay, it is also a channel which which make videos about spoken English. Okay, and basically daily conversation, the mistakes, and how can we improve. Okay, how can we improve, and videos for the beginners. Okay, so you can get videos about spoken English, especially for the beginners, from this channel. Okay, and this channel means Tapan's presentation is also a YouTube channel, and it also can be helpful for you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and